Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning to all of you once again. Namaskar, Chusarni, Manitarfan. So, ladies and gentlemen, while we are going to this very exotic and beautiful place here, while we are just have a look around this very beautiful place, very historical and beautiful place, the monuments of thousands and thousands of years, that they are standing here for times memorial, because there are no doubt some new constructions also of this Qutub Minar, because Qutub Minar had been also existing prior to that also, maybe as a temple, of course, as a temple, and then finally made by Alauddin Khilji as that minaret. So that was a digression, that was something else. The main question that before us, that today is, ladies and gentlemen, the question that is before us today is that be in control of yourself. So be in control of yourself. As I was telling you, ladies and gentlemen, I repeat this very big question, very important question before us, that be in control and walk full strides in life, and no baby steps, walk full stride in life, and of course, no baby steps. That is the complete sentence that we want to just dissect, decipher, discuss and debate. There's no second point, so I'll also say that is unilateral debate. So ladies and gentlemen, let's just first say namaskar and naman. So ladies and gentlemen, this is blissful, it marks the entry and the sound to the holy God that I have come. This is exactly that this ringing bell is. Ladies and gentlemen, coming back to our question is that be in control of yourself and have no fear of future, and walk full stride in life, ladies and gentlemen, full stride in life. Jai ho. Jai Bhagwan Mahavir Jain. Jai ho 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 Bhagwan Mahavir Jain. Jai Bhagwan. Just look around also, ladies and gentlemen, that this is bang in front of Qutub Minar. This is Qutub Minar. This is some monument or a tomb. This is the beautiful and magnificent, very big, the biggest Bhagwan Mahavir Jain. Let's just first bow before Mahavir Jain. Jai Mahavir Jain ki. Oh, Jai Bhagwan Mahavir Jain ki Jai. So ladies and gentlemen, coming back to our question that we were just talking, that be in control of yourself. Be in control of yourself. Because that for being in control, you need to just take care of four things. Four things means 3H. 3H means formula means head, heart and hands. Head, heart and hands, and then the fourth one is soul. Talking about this head, you know that if you are want to be in control of yourself, you need to keep a complete control of the head. Head means, say you are in peace, you are in peace and a particular frame of mind and a particular narrative at the home. Suddenly somebody wants to spoil your mind and have some cruelty and discuss something else which is not good for you. Okay, just listen for some time, and then of course, ladies and gentlemen, come back to your peace and quiet, come back to your happiness. That means you are in control of your head, you are control of your thoughts, you are control of your mind. So if you are in control of your head and you don't go sway and you come back to your narrative, back to your happiness, back to your peace, back to your own satisfactory and ease, that means you are in control of your mind, thoughts, your ideas and your brain. So control of the head. So control of the heart means emotions, exactly same way as I told you about the thoughts, the heart, emotions. You know, emotions come from heart. Emotions are very important, ladies and gentlemen. This emotions, you know that you should just be in control of your emotions. Emotions are very, very important in your life, because if you again get swayed by the very pathetic, very dangerous, very cruel and very ISIS type, Al-Qaeda type, and your other emotions, you are ready to kill your whole family, 11-member family that recently happened in Delhi. You cannot, or for that matter in Syria, these people are killing others only on the basis of emotions and thoughtless emotions. So you need to be in the control of the emotions. Don't be swayed by others. See what is good, see what is best, and be in control of your heart. So be in control of the heart, be in control of the hand, and your emotions are connected with heart, your thoughts, ideas are connected with the head. So once you are in control of the head and the heart, then comes your actions. Your actions should speak your personality. Your actions should be for lifting the humanity, yourself first, then your family and the society and the community in which, the nation in which you are living, and finally, ladies and gentlemen, you need to also, you know, lift the whole world. So ladies and gentlemen, what I was trying to tell you, once you are in control of the head, heart and your actions by hands, 90% work is done. Your 90% work is done for keeping yourself in control. And that finally, ladies and gentlemen, soul is abstract. Soul you cannot see, soul you cannot feel, you cannot you just see that it's not tangible, it's intangible, it is abstract, it's not objective, it is just subjective. You can just feel it and just see that there is something which I cannot see, which is inside and connected with the God. For controlling your soul, ladies and gentlemen, you need to do meditation, you need to do yoga, because there is nothing else than spirituality, meditation and yoga that can control your soul, So once you are in control of these 3 H's, head, heart, hands and of course the fourth thing, soul, then you can, even if you walk into hell, and just repeating that, even if you walk into hell, no problem, no problem, you will come unscathed, you will come untouched, and you will be again coming back to yourself. So ladies and gentlemen, why I told you these things in this very sacred and pious place of Mahavir Jain. You know, Mahavir Jain, who can be a better example of being in control of himself than Bhagwan Mahavir Jain. You know, Mahavir Jain, he had control over all his faculties. He was completely naked in the Digambari, and still he could go to any place. He could be in the ladies, he could be in the gents, he could be in the animals, insects, and everywhere, and then untouched. So there cannot be a better example of being in control of yourself on this at the moment than Bhagwan Mahavir Jain. So ladies and gentlemen, what I am trying to tell you, that you be in control of yourself and walk full stride in life. Walk full stride in life, because if you walk full stride in life, you can walk into heaven, you can walk into hell, you can walk anywhere, and you will be peaceful, you will be peaceful, you will be happy, and you will not repent in life. You can just complete the journey of life very beautifully, and this best gift of God, that is your human body, you can do complete justice to this human body, because this is the greatest gift of God that is with you, ladies and gentlemen, and you need to protect it, you need to conduct it completely, very nicely, carefully, and in a very responsible manner. And for that, you need to be in control of yourself, control of your head, control of your heart, and control of your hands and soul. Once you are in control of all these things, believe me, you can fearlessly you can walk into heaven as well as hell. Fear the future, fear is the biggest problem in our life. Just be in control of yourself. Forget about the future. It will come in any way. You don't have the control on the future, but you have the control on the present. Present is in your hands, but future is not in your hands. So be in control of yourself. And ladies and gentlemen, do the activity that you need to do, because God and nature will never forgive you that if you don't do what you can do. God will forgive you that for these reasons, if you cannot do what you cannot do. If you don't do what you cannot do, if you don't do what you cannot do, it's okay. But if you don't do what you can do, me and you are a disastrous life. So walk with full stride, be in control of yourself, your 3 H's and soul, and in this pious place of Bhagwan Mahavir Jain, walk full stride, fearlessly, no fear of future. Take the complete control of your present, and walk fearlessly. Then only you can do justice to this greatest gift of God, that is you and me, this human body. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you.